Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data and power. Backup photos, contacts, and app settings to cloud or a PC so you can restore later. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% or keep the charger connected. This prevents interruptions. Next, sign out of linked accounts or remove activation locks if the system requires it. This avoids lockouts after the reset. Finally, open Settings, navigate to System or General Management, and select the Factory Reset option to initiate the process. You now confirm the reset choice and why it matters. Select Erase All Data or Factory Reset for a complete wipe, because partial resets leave some app data behind. Then enter your PIN or password to authorize. This prevents accidental wipes. Once confirmed, the device will reboot and run the erasure sequence. Do not power off or disconnect during this stage, because interruptions risk corruption. If you have an SD card, remove it beforehand unless you want it wiped, and let the reset finish until you finish by walking through the first run setup. Reconnect to Wi-Fi, sign into your account, and selectively restore backed up data so you don't reinstall clutter. Make sure to check security settings and install any system updates to keep the device secure. If the device stalls at the boot logo or setup screen, don't panic. Try booting into recovery mode and clearing cache or reapplying the factory option. If that fails, connect to a PC with the manufacturer's recovery tool as your key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.